Hey guys, it's me again. I've just realised that we've actually got a little bit of weirdness going on in one of our curves. Yeah, this is strangely eerily similar for a lot of the geometry. Let's see if we can fix that up, and I don't believe it is a long fix. I'm just going to come back to here where we started to measure the length parameters and whatnot. We were wanting to do this on our polyline curves, and instead we did it on our NURBS curves. So let's fix this up a bit and go start connecting in all the other relevant data. And then we just need to evaluate this one and this one. Great. I think we should be looking a lot better. Let's have a look. There we go. Much better. Cool. This is the end now. Okay, guys. Let's start off strong. And when we generated our carcus section, 3D carcus section surfaces, we extruded out originally. Let's bring them down here and let's do some splitting. Do I want split barrette? No. I want surface split a surface with a bunch of curves. Let's have a look at that. 0 to 25. Oh, I think we need to simplify this. 0 to 25. And boom, there we go. And let's have a look now. Let's dispatch that. So that's these are our original curves. Sorry, these are the surfaces that that had their lap sections created out of them, and then these are the locations of all the lap geometry. Let's start to work on first modeling it in 3D, and then we'll look at unwrapping it for fabrication. So what I want to do is, for every one of these larger curve sections, I'm going to need to link. We'll call the lap geometry with it, and a quick way I can do this computationally, instead of being like, for this curve, get this piece of lap geometry and this lap geometry, but not all these other ones. I'm going to duplicate all this lap geometry, so these 4 surfaces, 4 times for each piece of these, for each of these pieces. So let's do that now. So what I need to do is, let's just start, not reparameterize, let's start with some simplified geometry. And I'm actually then going to graft it and merge it up here. And then list length for these ones. So again, there should be 4 in each of them. And duplicate all this data 4 times, and then partition that data into groups of 4, and then merge that up here. So I think we should be left with once it's simplified, it should be like groups of 5. Yep, so each group has each group, so let's see if we can have, let's show you quickly. Tree branch, can I simplify that? Nope. I think I want that. I just have to do the notation. Path 0, 5. 0, 1. What about 5? There we go. Cool. So this one has this in it now. So then what we do is brep join them all together. So we should have like 3 things: an open brep and 2 trim surfaces, which is good. So we just essentially want the brep, d brep, and then let's count the number of faces in the brep. And I know that the one I want to keep is going to have 3 faces to it. Yep, it was 3, and it always will. And then cull that. And there we go. There's one we want to keep. And let's join that back up for now. Brep join. Yeah, not too computationally intensive. And I actually want to do that for all of these, not just that one there. But anyway, while I'm here, it is a good, when you're forking some stuff off, it's good. Well, it's good to fork larger sets of geometry off and only do it on one part in case you screw it up and kill your computer. Awesome. So I'm just going to drop a dispatch down, because what I want to do is I need to treat, when we work out this lap geometry, we need to sort of break it off into pairs. And this is where having equal numbers of section profiles comes in especially handy. Like this method won't work on odd pieces of geometry. Cool. So, and let me just sort of prove to you why that won't work. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'll show you when it's made. Anyway, we'll do it all in the next video. Thanks.